Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2012 Land Rover Freelander. So first of all, we make sure that Bluetooth is on like so, and then we're watching out at the bottom. Over to the system, we click phone, search new, and then you've got either vehicle to device or device to vehicle. Now, I'm going to try vehicle to device, but there has been a new update on Apple's, and it's just made it a bit difficult a couple of times. Sometimes it doesn't work properly, so I'm going to try it anyway, and if not, we'll go from device to vehicle. Oh, it's picked it up, that's okay. So search new, it's picked up my phone, Barry's iPhone 12, click on that. To pair and connect phone, enter 0105 on handset. Now the reason I use vehicle to device is because it generates a random PIN code rather than you having to put in a PIN code in your phone and then put the same PIN code. It just saves you a few clicks. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Allow, say it's Land Rover there, connecting to Barry's iPhone 12 Pro. There you go, it's come up connected, Land Rover connected. We're just waiting for it, phone connected, and it's my smartwatch has just beeped to tell me that the phone and everything's connected too. So that's how you connect a phone.